Join me as I dive into the stock market to see if I can beat the odds and not fall into the traps that most people do. Stock market investing can be a real roller coaster for many people. You've probably seen friends or family members pour their hard-earned money into stocks, only to watch it dwindle away. It's a frustrating experience, and it's not uncommon. The truth is, many investors struggle to make their investments work. But what's behind these failures? One of the biggest challenges investors face is emotional decision-making. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a surging stock or the panic of a plummeting one. But making decisions based on emotions rather than facts can be a recipe for disaster. Another challenge is the lack of research. Many investors dive into stocks without doing their homework, which can lead to costly mistakes. And then there's market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, and even the best investors can't always anticipate what's around the corner. These challenges are compounded by our natural biases. Behavioral finance concepts show that people tend to be overconfident in their abilities, and they often make decisions based on incomplete information. This can lead to a whole host of problems, from holding on to losing stocks for too long to selling winners too quickly. A solid investment strategy is key, but it's not always easy to develop one that works. Many investors try to time the market or pick individual stocks, but these approaches can be tricky to execute. So, what's the turning point? How do successful investors navigate these challenges and come out on top? One key insight is that successful investors often have a long-term perspective. They focus on the big picture, rather than getting caught up in short-term fluctuations. They also tend to have a solid investment strategy, one that's based on research and analysis rather than emotion or guesswork. And they're often disciplined, sticking to their strategy even when it's hard. To sum it up, investing in the stock market can be tough, but it's not impossible. By understanding the challenges and pitfalls, and by developing a solid investment strategy, you can increase your chances of success. It all comes down to education and discipline. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. If you've had any experiences with stock market investing, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're looking for more tips on smart investing, be sure to check out my video on how to invest like a pro.